Today I'll show you how to make an easy matcha latte that tastes better than any cafe. This is my set of matcha tools that always keep on hand: matcha container, bamboo whisk, ladle, and teaspoon. Those tools are made right here in my city, known for producing Japan's finest tea utensils with a history of more than 500 years. First, warm your milk in the microwave for 1 minute at 800 watt. While the milk is forming, let's prepare the matcha. Measure about 2 teaspoons with a bamboo teaspoon or 1 regular teaspoon, roughly 4 grams. Pass it through a sieve to remove any lumps. Next, measure a quarter cup or 60 ml of hot water. I like to use bamboo ladle, which measures perfectly, but you can use any cup. By measuring, the water cools slightly around 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius, the ideal temperature for matcha. Pour the water over the matcha and whisk. Start slowly, then whisk quickly in a W motion for about 30 seconds until you see a fine layer of froth. If you don't have this kind of bowls and tea whiskers, you can use cafe au lait bowl or small whisk. Just choose a bowl with a slightly rough surface to help the froth form easily. Now froth your warm milk with a milk former, then pour in prepared matcha. And your homemade matcha latte is done. What makes matcha so special is gentle bitterness and lingering aftertaste. With milk, it becomes smooth and rich. No wonder this drink has taken over from cappuccino as new favorite. I recommend using freshly ground, high-quality matcha for the best flavor. I hope you will give this recipe a try and enjoy a little ritual of calm in your day. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!